Okay, there is another set of stocks that we want to discuss, and we have a guest joining us. These are the chemical stocks. I mean, for some time now, we have seen SRF, Navin Fluorine, Aarti Industries, PI Industries, Rossari Biotech, all of them rising exponentially. But this time, the numbers seem to indicate that their margins are under pressure because their raw materials are expensive. So to analyze this group of chemicals stocks, we have with us Rohan Gupta, the Associate Director, Institutional Equities at Edelweiss Securities. Rohan, good morning. Thank you very much for joining us. Let me straight away delve into that. Yesterday, we had our colleague Sonal Bhutra explain to us that gross margins, both year on year and quarter on quarter, and the chart will come up even as I'm asking you, it's fallen by, a good 250 basis to about 760 basis points in some cases quarter on quarter, for instance, in PI Industries case. So are you now wary of this whole pack of chemicals?
Hey Lata, hi, good morning and good morning everyone. So Lata, I think that when we are analyzing all these specialty chemical companies and some of the names which you mentioned, that we need to be careful that as on one side that we are seeing the pressure of raw material prices rising, that actually driving these companies top line growth even slightly higher. Generally, these companies works on fixed margin. So what happens that when your top line increases higher driven by input prices, your margin in absolute level or your absolute level more or less remains same. That leads to mathematically leads to a fall in percentage terms margin. So we should be cautious about analyzing these companies, that how the absolute numbers are reacting. On few companies like PI you mentioned, there has been some one-offs which has impacted their gross margins. But more or less, we see that most of these companies have shown EBITDA growth on Y-on-Y basis.
Okay, got that. Rohan, hi, good morning. So, a lot of these stocks have been big wealth creators in the past, whether it's Navin Fluorine, SRF, Aarti Industries. Would you advise buying the dip in any of these stocks? And if yes, what would your top picks be?
Sonia, yes, we have been also a big admirer of all these specialty chemical companies, and we have been very positive on entire sector from last 3 to 4 years. And actually, the sector tailwinds have just only been growing with the last 1 year, that China plus one story going very strong. Import replacement also is the one driving factor for the growth in this sector. So as far as the next 3 to 5 years are concerned, we are very positive on entire specialty chemical sector because there are many tailwinds, and we are thinking and we are of the view that the growth in the sector will remain very solid. Among these, we are very positive on companies like SRF, Aarti Industries, Galaxy. All these are solid business model where we are expecting that the near-term growth of next 3 to 5 years is likely to remain close to 15% to 25% compounding. So we are, according to me, specialty chemical continue to remain a compounding growth story, which we see that is benefiting from the pandemic scenario also.
Well, I didn't hear you mention PI Industries. It has been a multi-decade wealth creator. You think it's too expensive?
Lata, if we talk about the valuations, no doubt I will not defend the expensive valuations here, but I think that market is giving valuations, and all these expensive valuations are because of the high growth visibility which the sector offers. So if I'm talking about the next 3 to 5 years growth of almost 15% to 20% compounding growth story to remain intact, we are not going to see this stock going to be available cheap anytime soon. So we have to be ready to give a higher valuation to these stocks. But yes, we are chasing growth, and which remains very solid for all these companies.
Okay. All right. Rohan, we'll leave it at that. Thank you very much for your analysis and for correcting the impression on the and pointing out to the EBITDA growth in these companies. So Rohan and Edelweiss still positive on specialty chemicals. And that's one of those companies that we have, in fact, maybe best of breed, PI Industries.